Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're in Westminster, in London, again. Let's see what's going on. There's a road closed. It's down here. Find out what's going on. Yeah, lovely day. It's a weekend, Saturday. A lot of tourists today. The old church bells are ringing in the distance.
Ik zeg niet wie mama.
All right. Anything special going on today?
Yeah, it's parade, King's birthday.
Oh yeah, correct. Forgot about that. Yeah.
It's parade, so it will start. I think it will start in some time.
Yeah. You doing all the checks?
Yeah, man.
You got the mirrors go underneath the vehicle?
No.
Control team, can call back camp.
No, they're in a vehicle, they need to get to
Event control team, Kamran Riyaz, can call back.
Wake up, come on. Got the king in there, come hurry up.
Guys, huh?
Special branch. Yeah, just going to do the video. I didn't realise it was the King's birthday today, so it's a bonus for me anyway. Where's the main place that's happening?
What's the place name? How about all the way straight down there?
Down there.
In the middle, you know where's the Golden Eagle, something like that.
Oh right, okay. We're going to have a walk down there.
Yeah.
Right, have a good day, mate.
Yeah. You don't need to worry about it.
So loads of people today. We packed down there. Guys,
Hello.
one question.
Go for it.
Yeah. How old is the king?
How old is the king?
Yeah.
It's a good question. I can't answer that for you. I don't know.
I couldn't tell you.
Yeah, 77.
77. Well, thank you for the info.
Okay.
I was going to say 80, early 80s, but I was clearly very wrong.
Yeah, yeah. So I looked it up earlier.
See you later.
Have a good day. Hello. Can I ask you a question?
Hello.
How old is the king?
Good question. I believe he's 75, 6, 74,
Up,
75,
up, up, up.
78,
Down.
77.
77. He was close.
Near enough.
It's surprising how many people don't know. I looked it up over there.
Yeah.
77.
Probably won't be long until William comes along, so.
Yeah.
It's funny you should say that because I was standing over there and I was thinking, I don't even know how old the king is.
Yeah.
It was terrible.
Yeah. You ever met him?
Briefly, yeah, at a garden party, and that was it.
I met him once at the Welsh Barracks in Caterham
Oh, nice.
many moons ago.
I lived there.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
I live in Caterham on the hill, yeah. Yeah.
I'm in the old barracks where
Yeah.
it used to be, because you've got the old brigade place and that lot.
Yeah,
there.
we've got Tesco's.
Yeah.
I was on going to Tesco's and a crowd of people
Yeah.
around a guy, Prince Charles.
Oh, nice.
And the other one I saw was the Queen
Oh, nice.
in Croydon High Street. Opposite Barclays, there's an old building there,
Yeah.
and there was a crowd of people again. Surprise, the Queen. Yeah.
Places.
Anyway, guys, have a good day.
Take care, love.
Yeah, not many people know how old the king is. Surprising. Prince Charles and Diana. I remember the wedding. We had a street party. Oh, sorry. I had that's your
There's some supporter
It's alright, I mean, we go closer. You can actually take birds and she's a bit longer. Yeah, and I
We got find out 3
Right.
Right.
Yeah, all good.
It's not the largest cherry picker, is it?
Sorry?
It's not the biggest cherry picker, is it?
No, this is 70 metre.
I think they call it a buffalo, don't they?
Well, this is a Bronto. But they've got 104s, 112s, not over here. I think the Kazakhstan Fire Brigade have got 112 metre.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. About twice as long as that.
I used to use them for advertising boards.
Oh, yeah, not that big though.
That's when health and safety came in,
Yeah, of course, yeah.
working off
And you
platforms with no handrail and stuff.
And you couldn't ladder them with nothing anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all gone mad, isn't it, now?
Yeah. Yeah. Have a good day, mate.
Yeah, take care. Cheers.
Yeah, I used to have a cherry picker. Not as big as that one. Let's cross over. I feel like I'm on a farm. Farm animal. Can I ask you a question? How old is the king?
Sorry.
How old is the king?
Good question. I got the same answer as you. I'm not sure.
Take a guess.
I would lie to you if I say guess.
So you're not the only officer who didn't know.
I know. I'm 100% confident with that. I should have knowledge.
77.
Thank you. Oh, that's very nice age.
Yeah. He looks good for his age, doesn't he?
It does, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Have a good day, mate.
You too. Take care.
So I'll see you too.
Hello.
Can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Both of you?
Yeah.
How old is the king?
How old is the king?
Yeah.
Oh, I wouldn't want to say off the top of my head.
So you're not the only one who doesn't know.
No, and I wouldn't want to guess because it might be offensive. So
77.
77. Yeah. Okay. I've learned something new today. So off the top of my head, I wouldn't want to guess.
You're not the only one. I didn't know today, so I looked it up.
Yeah. I don't know about the birthdays and the multiple birthdays or multiple celebrations.
I know the Queen had 2 birthdays celebrations.
Yeah, similar sort of, because you have the sort of the ceremonial celebrations and then the actual birthday, as it were. But yeah, no, age, you've got me on that one. Age is one I didn't know. So
No, you know.
enjoy.
Yeah, have a good day, chaps. Yeah. A question for you guys.
Yeah.
How old is the king?
Oh. 78? 76.
76.
79.
All wrong.
How old is he?
77.
Oh, it's very close.
Surprising. It's a lot of police officers. Do they know the age of the king? Because they work under the crown. None of them.
Wow.
I must admit, I didn't know. So I looked it up. Down there. Have a good day, guys.